Bonjour, y'all. Just kidding. Is that even the way you say hello? Hi. I am here with another finished object that I think is so much fun that I can't even take it. And it was merely, let me start it out here. There we go. I just happened, you're watching YouTube, crocheting, knitting, and it finishes what you were watching and you're mid row, so you don't go back to your regular subscriptions and it just goes down the rabbit hole. Well, that's what happened here. I saw this tutorial for this adorable, and I'm going to take it off and show you the details. This adorable tam, beret, whatever you want to call it. And my friend Sharon had brought me back two skeins of an Aran Waite Blueface Leicester hand dyed from Ginger Twist Studio in Edinburgh, Scotland. And it's just yummy, yummy, and I loved it. So the pattern, I wanted to do something simple that would show off the yarn because it's so beautiful. You can see the little speckles. It's so pretty and a lovely color of yellow. So I found this shawl pattern. I don't even remember the name of it because halfway through it I hated it. I went ahead and finished, but it was for, was it for a DK weight? It was for a DK weight yarn. And I went ahead and did it anyway, and it just, I needed more yarn than what I had because of the weight difference and all. It was basically a clusterfuck. So I went ahead and pressed on and finished it, and then tried to like add some more stuff on it, like use a yarn that was a different color. It was a mess. Bring your brooms. So here's what I have left of the shawl. I just love the colors. Aren't they pretty? This is what I have left of the shawl. I guess I could use it for a little necktie or a bib. Because I just worked from the shawl. Oh, look at that. Literally crocheted the hat from the shawl, and this is how much I have left, so I'll ball it up. But I want to show you this pattern. It's super cute, and I will link to it in the description box. The lady that did this tutorial, look at the rib on this. It's great detail, easy construction, and it's free. And I love it because look at the cute. Is the top not the cutest thing you've ever seen? It's dimensional and wonderful. And what one of my favorite things is Jessie Hooks and Coffee got me this stitch marker last year at Rhinebeck, and I felt like it was meant to be because it was. So that's what I used while I was working on it. This literally, I read in the comments, and somebody said they did this in 2.5 hours, and I believe it. I was trying to finish my Halloween socks up, so I didn't solely work on this, but I feel like if you just work on this, you could have this in an evening easily. It's super cute, and you can wear it to the side. You can wear it to the back. My hair's super thick. She has like straight, flat, long hair, so it looks more chic on the back. I think mine, I'm going to be limited to wearing it to the side, but I just love it. And the ribbing is super cool, and see how the petals of the flower extend all the way down into the ribbing, and then you just make it even. So easy. You're not even going to believe it. I actually would love to do this in a crochet along. If anybody's interested, let me know, and I would totally be there for it. It's a cute little fun hat. This actually would be adorable to wear to make on New Year's. Also, if you changed colors on the ribs, it could even look like maybe a peppermint candy. I don't know. I really would like to play around with it because it's super cute. But I just wanted, this is going to be super short project, super short finished object video, but it could not be cuter. I just want to play around with all the ways. I almost, I almost feel like the pie man, the villain on Strawberry Shortcake, OG Strawberry Shortcake, not the new Strawberry Shortcake. I'm like, is there a pie man on the new Strawberry Shortcake? He has the crow. His pet is the crow. You know how the Strawberry Shortcake characters had the pet? He had the crow, or was it a blackbird that he baked in the pie? I don't know. Anyway, he had a little French. He was French with his long mustache. Anyway, so to pull the whole theme through, I have on my French graphic tee that says, "It's you, my dear," to wear with my French hat. Danny's going to crack up. She has not seen this at all. She's just getting back from Rhinebeck. So when I go into work today, she's going to be like, "Oh my God," she'll be cracking up. So I look forward to having a super chatty, fun day at work in my French attire. I hope y'all have a wonderful day or night whenever you're watching this. Thank you for stopping by to keep up with my shenanigans. I think the world of y'all, and I would love to meet everybody in person, because rumor has it I'll be going to Rhinebeck next year, which would be amazing. So I'm looking forward to that. Also, I've got to finish frogging the shawl and get it into a ball so it can stretch the ramen noodleness. If you've ever frogged anything, you know what I'm talking about. The ramen noodles out of this. So that's it. Oh, the hat has not been blocked yet because I love the way it fits. So I think we probably won't be blocking it. Okay, well, I'm gonna put this bad boy on and then get ready for work. It's freaking adorable. I can't. It's so cute. It's so cute. Okay, I'm out. Peace.